At Clear Creek RVs, we understand the investment that you're making when you buy an RV, and that's why we want to offer the top of the line service and care for your RV and anything that it needs. From common services like checking your major components of your RV to winterization, anything between, we have you covered. Our service department process is pretty simple. Whenever scheduling a service appointment with us, we take the time to gather the issues that you have and figure out a plan of action to get those issues resolved. One thing that sets us apart when it comes to service is we are fully transparent. We don't overcharge or try to make a customer pay for maintenance that is an essential for their RV. We find the issue, diagnose the issue, and let the customers know what it will cost before we start working, with no hidden fees or anything that surprising that may come along. Once we find what's causing your RV trouble, we work tirelessly and endlessly to get it fixed and get you back on the road as soon as possible. Since we can't always go camping or on the road with you, not only do we provide care and service to your RV, at Clear Creek RVs, we provide an RV orientation with a certified RV technician to help you learn the in and outs of your new purchase. The goal is to show the customer how to use their RV and all its features and answer any questions that they might have along the way. Our service department is what separates us from other dealerships.